Hello and welcome to Future Tech, the show where we explore the latest and greatest in space technology. Today, we're going to look at 7 futuristic space technologies that NASA is exploring. These are some of the most visionary and innovative ideas that could revolutionize space exploration in the future. Let's get started. 1. Turning asteroids into giant spacecraft. Imagine if you could turn an entire asteroid into a massive autonomous spacecraft that could explore the solar system. That's the idea behind Project Rama, which stands for Reconstituting Asteroids into Mechanical Automata. The project proposes to use robotic processes to transform asteroid elements into programmed devices that can move, communicate, and perform tasks. The advantage of this approach is that it would reduce the cost and risk of ground launches by manufacturing the spacecraft in outer space. 2. A shape-shifting robot. What if you had a robot that could change its shape and function depending on the environment? That's the concept behind Shapeshifter, a flying amphibious robot that can mutate into different devices. The robot is composed of smaller units that can collectively morph into spherical balls, flight arrays, and torpedo-like swimmers. The idea is to create a versatile machine that can explore diverse worlds, such as Titan, Saturn's largest moon, which has rugged cliffs, lakes, and seas. 3. A football field-sized starshade in space. One of the biggest challenges for astronomers is to block the glare from stars when they want to observe their planets. That's why NASA is developing a giant shade in space that could do just that. The starshade is a 100-meter structure that would match the position and velocity of a moving telescope. It would then cast a dark shadow over the star, without blocking the light of its planets. This would allow the telescope to take clear pictures and measurements of exoplanets, which are planets outside our solar system. 4. Smart spacesuits with stretchable self-healing skin. Spacewalks are dangerous and difficult activities that require special suits to protect astronauts from the harsh conditions of space. NASA is working on a new generation of spacesuits that would be smarter, lighter, and more comfortable than the current ones. The smart suit is a concept that incorporates soft robotics, stretchable self-healing skin, and integrated sensors that collect and display data to the wearer. The suit is designed specifically for human missions to Mars, where astronauts would need more mobility and durability. 5. A paper-thin space junk cleaner. Space debris is a growing problem that threatens the safety of spacecraft and satellites. There are millions of pieces of junk orbiting Earth, ranging from tiny paint flecks to large rocket parts. Even a small object can cause serious damage at high speeds. That's why NASA is funding a project called BrinCraft, which is a wafer-thin device that can wrap around orbiting debris and then lower it to burn up in Earth's atmosphere. The device is half the thickness of a human hair and looks like a sheet of paper. It could be a cheap and effective way to clean up space trash. 6. A lunar levitation track system. Transporting cargo on the moon is not easy, especially when you have to deal with rough terrain and limited resources. NASA has an idea for a novel solution: a magnetic levitation track system that would use robots to carry loads on the lunar surface. The system would consist of flexible tracks that would unroll on the ground, and magnetic robots that would levitate over them. The tracks would avoid the need for major construction work on the moon, and the robots would be able to move fast and efficiently without wheels or treads. 7. A light-bending lunar power system. Generating and distributing power on the moon is another challenge that NASA wants to solve. One of the concepts they're studying is called Lightbender, which is a system that would capture, concentrate, and focus sunlight using telescope optics. The system would use mirrors and lenses to bend the light around obstacles and direct it to solar panels or other devices that need power. The system could also work at night by using stored sunlight or earthshine, which is the light reflected by Earth onto the moon. These are just some of the futuristic space technologies that NASA is exploring through its innovative Advanced Concepts program, which funds early-stage studies to evaluate their potential. These projects may seem like science fiction, but they could become reality in the future. I hope you enjoyed learning about these amazing space technologies that NASA is exploring. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more space-related content. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know which of these technologies you find the most fascinating and why. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Future Tech.